I'm going to show you how to make these fabulous canapés, which are perfect for any Christmas party. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees, gas mark 4, and add in the sunflower oil to a pan, along with the onion. You cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the cumin, oregano, and pistachios, and cook for a further 2 minutes. Pour hot water over the chickpeas. That allows them to soften. Drain the chickpeas and pour into the food processor, and then add in the spicy onions and pistachio mix. A pinch of salt, and blitz until semi-smooth. Add in the apricots and give them a stir. Take a small amount of the mixture on a spoon, roll it into a ball, and then place it onto the baking tray. Bake in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes until golden. Whilst they're baking in the oven, make the tahini dressing. Have some tahini in a bowl and squeeze in some unwaxed lemon juice. A pinch of sea salt, and then stir to combine it all. To assemble the kofte, take a small baby gem lettuce leaf and add in a couple of the kofte and place on a serving tray. Drizzle on the tahini, you can be really generous with it. And then finally, sprinkle on the pomegranate seeds. Perfect canapés for the party season. Season's greetings, everyone.